So here we have the tactic visor organizer. It's pretty neat for those who like tactic gear and whatnot. It does have this Velcro side where you can put any patches that have Velcro, of course. Has many loops. You can put pens. I have a pocket knife. I have my clicker, a random trim tool. It has a glasses holder here. Let's open it up. It does have many compartments. See, I carry a little bit of cash, you know. You never know when you may need some. And of course, paperwork. Here's a better view of it. So, all these compartments. You put paperwork in here. Close it up. Close this up. Again, glasses. You can put pens, whatever you may need. It does have like a driver license or insurance holder. Of course, the Velcro. And it doesn't interfere with your mirror, so that's great. Overall, I'm satisfied with this visor. I recommend it if you like tactical gear. Very useful for your glasses, pens, clickers, your license, insurance, or just to customize your vehicle and personalize it.